Neja wa cikaro cia mbunge ya kaunti ya Nairobi kuria mihango omothe ithararirio ni ndugamano iria iyumiririe kuo iria icungiririe mabitha a borithi kuingirira niguo guthararia gikundi kia MCAs aria makwihotolete kweheria mutongoria wa aige mbunge-ini yo Abdi Guyo kuma wabici-ini.
He has gone against the court orders and restricted the speaker from accessing the chambers. Guyo has claimed that the governor wants to kill him. It is not possible to continue being a majority leader for a government that wants to kill him.
And the only people who can remove me from my seat is Jubilee MCAs.
Nigukoretwo na mugayukano muhiu gatagati ka MCAs a kaunti ya Nairobi amwe makinyita mbaru gucokio gwa speaker Beatrice Elachi na angi aria maratongorio ni Guyo makiregana na undu uyu na nimerigite kugeria kwa rita ria keri kuhagura Elachi. Aruna ao nao marabanga kweheria Guyo na marathura MCA wa Dandora Charles Thuo kuoya ithenya riu.
Because there was no meeting of Jubilee, Jubilee had meeting. That was choreographed with Madam Speaker. If she wants me out of the office, the law must be followed.
They are pretending that the issue is about Elachi. It is not about Elachi. It is about the board. It is about the corruption that has been happening on the board, and they are fighting back because they know that what will be found out, including the clerk signing letters for people to leave the country in the pretense of being county executive members.
That Guyo must stop and he must stop. These shenanigans must stop. We are not interested in sideshows. We want to work for Nairobi.
Kiumia kihituku MCAs aria maranyita mbaru Elachi ni matagimanirie mbunge-ini wuiguano uria wakinyanirio ni mucemanio wa MCAs a kiama kia Jubilee kaunti-ini ino na hamwe na Guyo kweherio. Ona muhuri mucarica wa ithira wa Chege ni eheririo na ithenya ria kere kioyo ni June Ndegwa.
MCAs wamejaza mabunduki hapa ndani. Mimi ningeomba DCIO awanyang'anya hizi mabunduki sababu hapa watu watakufa.
Other counties are making decisions. We need to respect the party. The party has decided. It has given us the power. We can't be taking the party to court. We can't be taking the president to court.
And if this situation goes on, we will be asking His Excellency the President to dissolve this county.
Ndugamano ya muthenya wa umuthe mbunge-ini no igithie na mbere na kuhithuria thina munene uria uhithanitio guku na ningi gukahana ta ngui thiini wa mbunge no ri mutugo ubatie ni gwitikirika no ugathararia utungata kuri muingi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Guji.